As more people return to offices and manufacturers continue to navigate a landscape in which essential workers never left, companies are looking for solutions to best operate in this, quote, new normal. I know, I hate the term too, but let's cover it anyway, out of an abundance of caution. One solution that could mitigate risk is thermal scanners at facility entry points. I was interested in the technology's potential, but I didn't know much about it. So I reached out to Reality Interactive, the company behind the AXSIS Thermal Scanner. The device works in a number of ways, but at the most basic level, it can be used at access points to take the temperature of workers and visitors entering the workplace. To get started, you follow a few simple instructions and plug it in. If you're just looking to take temps at the door, it's plug and play with some basic assembly out of the box. However, in a post-COVID landscape, such a gateway could be valuable to companies trying to keep their workforces healthy, particularly those in food processing and other industries in which workers are in close quarters. The AXSIS scanner can be part of a more comprehensive software platform. Management can create a questionnaire for employees to fill out prior to each shift on their own devices. If everything checks out, the employee receives a QR code that AXSIS will scan prior to a temperature scan with accuracy within 0.5 degrees. The process can even be tied to entry points to lock and unlock doors, and clocking in workers as well. It's also entirely contactless, except, the door handle, depending on your knob choice. The system is built off of the Bit Shuttle remote monitoring platform that could also be used to control various climates within the facility. It can also enable facial recognition and determine whether or not the employee is wearing a mask. But hopefully that's not a long-term need. The hardware is made out of aluminum and is about 16.5 inches tall, with an 8-inch screen that can be installed using a junction box or floor, table, or wall stand. The workers or visitors stand about a foot away from the camera to take the reading, and the company recommends that it isn't placed in any dusty or damp locations, as well as any spaces that are extremely hot or cold. Also, it's a screen, so don't drop it. I recently spoke with the Reality Interactive team for the webinar, The Evolving Workplace in a Post-COVID World, and I encourage you to check it out. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.